story.
Parrot Heads are Jimmy Buffett followers. That has evolved into a whole subculture, if you will. The most wonderful people you'll ever meet in your entire life. And they're really into tropical rock music in a way that's just heartwarming.
A few hours later.
We're right here in Key West, right in front of Margaritaville, with all the Parrot Heads, and we're just having a great, great time.
I live here in Key West. I've been here 2.5 years. I've been coming down for 7 years to this, and it's wonderful. I take vacation to play here in my own town.
Parrot Heads, our big motto is we party with a purpose. As you can see from the street party today, we're all having a good time. But every single one of us contribute to charities and do goodwill every day of the year all around the country.
We come here every year, never miss a year.
This is our 6th year.
Yeah, this is a blast down here.
It's the title cut off our new CD.
I think, you know, what started my songwriting, I didn't wake up one day and say, I want to be a songwriter. What really started, I was here. That lifestyle prompted me to start writing music. I was overwhelmed with the wonder of this place. Never in a million years expected it to turn into what it has turned into.
Blame it on the margaritas.